Okay, so here's the internet problem. It's 8 divided by 2 times the quantity of 2 plus 2. So a lot of people seem to remember PEMDAS. I'm going to go over that with you here. So that's PEMDAS. And if you're not from the US, if you're from another country, you probably remember it as BODMAS, BODMAS. So this stands for parentheses, exponents, multiplication and division, addition and subtraction. BODMAS, if you're from England or UK, stands for brackets, orders, division, multiplication, and addition, subtraction. So these are ranking systems. We have to rank them in order of power or importance. So rank number 1 for the system would be the parentheses. Then the next most important rank would be exponents. Then the next most important rank is a tie between multiplication and division. Multiplication and division. I guess that'd be a V. Those are the same power, same rank. And finally, the last power or rank would be addition and subtraction. Addition and subtraction. Those also have the same power or rank. Okay, so when we solve this, we have to look at the order of operations first and see what's most important. Okay, so the first thing we need to look at is parentheses. Are there any? Of course, right here, 2 plus 2. So parentheses, this would become 2 plus 2 is 4. And then, of course, that's still multiplied by 2. And, of course, 8 is still divided by those items. So I'm going to rewrite this just a little bit to make it clear, because 2 times parentheses 4 is just the same as 2 times 4. So this is 8 divided by 2 times 4. Now I'm going to look back over here to my order of operations and see what's next. I'm going to look at exponents. As it turns out, there's no exponents in this, so there's nothing to do. Next, we're going to look at multiplication and division. Well, it looks like everything here is multiplication and division. And a common thing that a lot of people forget is multiplication and division have the same rank. We can even see with the European system that D and M, division and multiplication, they're inverted from the American system, multiplication and division. But they're the same thing because they have equal rank. That's what's important. So then multiplication and division, that's what I'm going to do next. There's no addition and subtraction, so we're going to ignore that altogether. But another thing that many people forget is the order of operations also includes a procedure, and that procedure is always solved from left to right. So this set of rules is modern algebraic notation. This has been around since the 17th century, and it's always been done this way. Every math course, mathematical operation all around the world always uses this same set of rules, and we always solve from left to right. So now I'm going to do that. So 8 divided by 2 is 4, and I'm still multiplying by 4. I'm bringing that down because I haven't done anything with it, and these two became that. And 4 times 4, of course, is 16, and that's the answer. It's common for people to think that they should multiply the 2 times 4 first, especially if they see that, because they see parentheses. But in reality, the parentheses don't matter here because we've already solved what's inside of them. Parentheses means solve what's inside of them, not solve what's multiplied by them. So if I were to do this first, 2 times 4, I would get a number of 8, and then 8 divided by 8 would in fact be 1. That's wrong because I'm actually going from right to left if I solve that way. But I'm actually supposed to solve from left to right. That's what's important. So this is the only correct answer. And hopefully that makes sense now.